progress of the Turkish defense industry over the past 2 decades represents a significant leap towards strategic independence. One of the most visible symbols of this transformation is Turkey's success in independently assembling and producing the Atmaka anti-ship missile. Developed by the national defense company the Atmaka forms the backbone of the Turkish Navy's new weapons system. Program was initiated to replace imported anti-ship missiles, such as the Harpoon previously used by the Turkish Navy. Relying on foreign systems was considered risky, especially in a dynamic geopolitical environment. Therefore, the Turkish government, through the Defense Industries Agency, pushed for the development of a modern national missile. The project was entrusted to Roketsan, which has experience developing various rocket and missile systems. The Atmaka's development focused not only on combat performance but also on mastering the production chain from propulsion systems and navigation to software integration. The Atmaka is designed as a long-range anti-ship missile with high-precision strike capabilities. Some of its key characteristics include a range of over 200 kilometers, allowing warships to engage targets from a safe distance. An advanced guidance system combines inertial navigation, GPS, and active radar. This missile uses a domestically developed turbojet engine, a significant milestone in Turkey's technological independence. The integration of its electronic systems and software was also developed locally, minimizing the risk of a technology embargo. In test firings, the Atmaka demonstrated high accuracy and significant destructive power against surface ship targets. This strengthens Turkey's position as a nation capable of producing precision weapon systems independently. The Atmaka is assembled at production facilities according to modern military industry standards. The process involves several key stages: production of the missile's structure and body using lightweight yet strong composite materials. Integration of the propulsion system ensures stability and fuel efficiency. Each missile undergoes a series of rigorous tests, including extreme environmental testing to ensure optimal performance in various weather and temperature conditions. This stringent quality control system is a crucial factor in ensuring the Atmaka's reliability in combat. Furthermore, collaboration with local technology companies strengthens Turkey's defense industry ecosystem. Thus, ATMACA production not only strengthens the military, but also promotes the growth of the domestic high-tech industry. The successful assembly of the Atmaka is a significant milestone, demonstrating Turkey's ability to reduce its dependence on foreign strategic components. In recent years, Turkey has been aggressively developing its national defense industry, including combat drones, armored vehicles, and air defense systems. Integration with the Turkish Navy. The ATMA has begun to be integrated into various Turkish Navy warship platforms, including modern frigates and corvettes. One platform in the spotlight is the ADA-class corvette from the Miljum project. The ADA-class corvettes are designed for anti-submarine warfare and surface defense. With the integration of the Atmaka, these vessels' surface attack capabilities are significantly enhanced. The missile launcher system is mounted on the main deck and integrated with the ship's combat management system. This integration demonstrates Turkey's capability not only to assemble missiles, but also to develop an integrated defense ecosystem from the ship's platform to the weapon system. The successful assembly of the Atmaka has significant strategic implications for Turkey. First, production independence strengthens Ankara's geopolitical bargaining position. Turkey is no longer entirely dependent on Western arms supplies. Second, the Atmaka opens up export opportunities. Several countries have shown interest in this missile due to its competitive price and comparable capabilities to Western anti-ship missiles. Exporting the weapons system serves as a source of foreign exchange and a tool for defense diplomacy. Third, this success boosts the Turkish defense industry's confidence to develop more ambitious projects, including longer-range missiles and integrated defense systems. Despite the successful assembly and operation, the development of the Atmaka continues. Turkey continues to enhance the missile's capabilities, including increasing its range and capability to counter modern air defense systems. Key challenges include global competition from established missile manufacturers, international political pressures surrounding arms. Exports necessitate continuous innovation to remain relevant in the face of the latest defense technologies. However, with a stronger industrial foundation, the prospects for the Atmaka appear bright. Experience in assembling and developing this missile provides valuable resources for Turkey. As it enters a new era of advanced military technology, the assembly of the Atmaka missile marks a new chapter in the history of the Turkish defense industry. Through technological mastery, system integration, and domestic production, Turkey demonstrates that military self-sufficiency is not just a slogan, but a reality. The Atmaka is not just an anti-ship missile, but a symbol of national technological renaissance. With continued investment in research and development, Turkey has the potential to become a major force in the global defense industry in the future.